The next challenge we're working on is Interpolating Values, Challenge 1 on Interpolating Values in String Formatting. It asks what will be printed after running the following code block. It has a variable num pizza slices equals to integer 3. Pizza string says I ate space concatenated with num pizza slices using the addition operator, and then again using the addition operator and wanting to concatenate the end of a string onto the end pizza slices. So in the end, the user is expecting to see I ate 3 pizza slices. But there's an issue here in that we're using the addition operator for 2 different data types, which is not supported. And specifically, what that's going to give us is a type error. And without checking for sure, my best guess is that type error is going to be unsupported operand types using the addition operator between a float and a string, right? And this is a good lesson on how we can interpret error messages to help us debug our code. Specifically, right, this says the operand we're using plus the addition operator is not supported between the float and the string. So we can go ahead and check that answer. It actually says that is not correct. It says type error must be string, not int. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this code on over into a REPL, and we're just going to give this code a run and see what exactly is typed. This newest version of Python, it does give us a type error, but it actually says can only concatenate string, not int to string. So depending on your Python version, this error code is going to vary just a little bit. I believe the interpreter here is running Python 3.8.1. 3.8.1. So we can see that error message is a little different. But the sort of moral of the story, or the moral of this challenge, is really in that we cannot use the addition or the concatenation operator between different data types, right? So if I did want this to work, what I could do is I could simply parse the integer 3 num pizza slices into a string, and then use my arithmetic operator, the plus sign, to concatenate these 3 strings. Now, if I run this, right, it actually gives me the output that I was expecting or hoping for. I ate 3 pizza slices, period. So again, right, the important thing is here that we are going to get a type error, and depending on our Python version, that type error might vary just a little bit, but in general, the addition operator is not supported between most different data types, right? There are some exceptions to that. I can add an integer and a float together and not have any errors thrown, but I cannot do so with an integer and string, as is described here.